Hi there, and welcome to the Marketplace Genie WooCommerce Takealot plugin tutorial. In this episode, we'll be explaining price synchronization between WooCommerce and your Takealot reseller portal. Whenever we start, we're going to make sure that our API key is in and that it is valid. Without it being valid, the price will not synchronize between the two platforms. It works on a live API key. We're going to head over to the Synchronization tab. We're going to select Pricing, Manual Synchronization. We're going to then head over to our products, and for this I've created a test product. The inventory will sync with the SKU as the primary key. So if the SKU is a test in WooCommerce, it will be test in the reseller portal. Then it will link the two products together. So within the synchronization, we're going to test here. We're going to change the price from 50 and the sale price to 20, and we're going to update. We can head over to the reseller portal and we're going to refresh the page, and you can see the price has changed to what it is in WooCommerce. We have built in a exchange rate inside the plugin, which means if you want Takealot to be more expensive than your WooCommerce by a ratio, we've built in an exchange rate feature. Let's use an easy example of exchange rate of 2. That means whatever price you put in WooCommerce, it's going to double in the Takealot system. So let's head over back to our price here. We're going to change it, make it easy. We'll make the price 100 and the sales price 50. We're going to update it. Now what this is going to do is it's going to times these two factors by 2 and then export it into the Takealot reseller portal. So we're going to end up then with 200 for the RRP and 100 price for the normal. Let's go have a look there. I'm going to synchronize, and then you can see it's doubled up according to your exchange rate. Thanks for watching. Any other questions, please don't hesitate to email us at info@marketplacegenie.co.za. Thanks for watching. Cheers.